Good morning, class. Welcome to your final overview for Lesson 3 of your cardboard relief project. This video will discuss the tasks that need to be completed for this lesson so you can gain the highest level of understanding and complete your project with a high level of accuracy. Alright, so your learning goal is basically just to create a high or low relief. You should have already been working on your relief in Lesson 2. Remember, Lesson 1, you sketched and planned it while marking and mapping the different layers or planes. Then Lesson 2, you just submitted photos that documented the different phases of your relief production. So you've already been creating it. And then lastly, you just need to basically finish it and create the final product. Now, we'll also be in full color, but we'll discuss that in a little bit. All right, and then your central question is and has been, why do artists experiment? At this point, you should have more of a clear understanding of why an artist would experiment with different techniques and designs, but I believe we do elaborate on that a bit more at the end of the vocab video. And then also for the vocab, your last two words are positive space and negative space. They are very important to this project, so make sure you are watching the video carefully for the vocab video. And that is actually your first task, is to watch that video, the vocab video as always. That'll give you your answers to your entrance ticket questions. Then go down and complete the entrance ticket by answering all three of these questions. What is positive space? What is negative space? And how does experimenting with positive and negative spaces within your relief help your design? Once you've done both of those, go to task 3, as I scroll down a bit here. Go to task 3, watch the instructional video where I will guide your progress and kind of tell you how to wrap up this project and even give you some advice. This is still very important, even if you already know what to do and you're thinking, I don't need to watch that. Please do watch it. They're always important. It's always necessary to help guide your production because, again, like I said, I've designed this class for your success. You just need to actually go through all these steps and put the best effort forward. All right, and then lastly, for your task for this lesson, you'll be sending me a photo of your completed relief in full color with your oil pastels. So it being in full color with your oil pastels is key. Please remember that example of the elephant in the very first vocabulary video, and even some of the other student examples that you saw in the first instructional video. So in full color should be solid colors, again with the oil pastels. And then if your project is finished, oops, sorry about that, you are not just submitting it to the Lesson 3 Progress Photos discussion, you are also submitting it to the final project. But again, you submit it to the Progress Photos discussion for my feedback to see if there might be any little tweaks or changes you might need to make before submitting your final. And if I give you the thumbs up, then you submit it to the final project for 100 points or for up to 100 points. And then that completes the unit with the exception of just doing your learning log after. All right, so again, your materials. You'll basically need all the materials, probably most likely just the pencil, cardboard, glue, oil pastels, and scissors. Again, as a reminder, you're going to need to use scissors from around the house. The art department could not supply a sharp object like that to take home, so please use the scissors from around the home, but everything else was provided to you. All right, so for your Lesson 3 vocabulary, there goes my power again. All right, getting the power back on. Whoa, there we go. All right, anyway, so for the navigation, complete the Lesson 3 vocab video, then complete your entrance ticket, then watch the video, how to blend oil pastels. I believe I actually forgot to add that in the overview, although if you're watching the video, you'll know to complete it. So please make sure you watch this. This will basically show you how to apply the pastels properly. This is a long video. You do not need to watch the whole video. I think it's like 10 minutes long. But as long as you are watching and you're understanding how to make these solid colors, just that you understand that that's the level of craftsmanship that I expect from you. And then watch the Lesson 3 instructional video. And lastly, submit the your relief in full color here, just so you can get my feedback. And of course, as I always do, I always show you guys and remind you to please submit your final here to the final projects. And then lastly, complete your learning log where you answer your vocab, the essential question, and you write an artist statement about how you produced your project. All right, that's it, guys. Please message me if you have any questions. I can't wait to see your final products. But until then, I will see you in class in the vocabulary video below. All right, everyone. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you soon. Bye.